Welcome to this tutorial about validating header data in DocBits at Fellow Pro. Today, we'll cover how to train the system, how DocBits matches data, and how it uses formulas like VAT to calculate information that's not even on the document. We'll also look at how DocBits automatically formats data such as dates and currencies, and then move on to saving rules, PO matching, and auto accounting. If DocBits doesn't recognize or misinterprets a field, training it is simple. Just click on the field and then select the correct value from the invoice. Alternatively, use your mouse to draw a box around the area you want to define for that attribute. This training ensures DocBits becomes more accurate over time. Fields marked with a special icon indicate that DocBits has enriched the data behind them. For example, when DocBits identifies the supplier, Fellow Pro, it can automatically add information like address and bank details. You can train this data manually or let DocBits gather it from previous invoices. DocBits automatically calculates VAT and inserts the values into the appropriate fields. Additionally, it formats dates and currencies according to your preferences, instead of just copying them from the document. You can save these rules for future documents by clicking Save Rules. If you only want to save training for this document, click Save at the top. To add a special rule, use the button next to it. Once the document is validated, you can move forward, depending on the type of invoice, to PO matching or to auto accounting, using the button at the bottom next to Save Rules. How to proceed in PO matching or auto accounting will be explained in separate videos.